Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by placing your reference and selecting paints. Pick heavy body for texture or fluid for smooth blends. Load a flat 6 for blocking large shapes and mix a midtone by adding 10–20% white to your base. Make the paint slightly thinner with 0.5 1 drop of water so it lays down without streaks. Once the canvas is primed, map hair flow with light. Directional strokes follow the skull shape, so each lock has a planned path before detailing. Once the base is dry, you build volume by alternating thin washes and thicker, more opaque strokes. Make sure each layer dries so edges stay crisp. Then place one warm highlight and one cool shadow in each major section to suggest depth, warm for facing light, cool for the recesses. You should switch to a liner brush for single hair details, vary pressure to create natural tapers. Also, use a dry brush for flyaways and a glaze to unify transitions, making hair read as one mass. You finish by refining edges, soften the inner joins of locks and sharpen outer strands with a single confident stroke so hair reads clearly. Next, apply a thin glaze, 5–10% transparent medium mixed into paint to unify color and control sheen. This ties highlights into the body. If a section looks wrong, lift wet paint with a damp brush immediately. Once dry, correct with a scumble of opaque paint and rebuild texture. Finally, step back, evaluate silhouette, and make tiny highlight accents where light hits most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.